Hello friends, hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. Today's video is going to be very interesting, very informative, and of course the do-it-yourself technique that I will teach you. Well, today's topic, let me come very fast and quickly on the topic. Today's topic is on the unwanted pimple that we girls have sometime in our life. So now I'll tell you different techniques by which you can just get over the pimple in hardly 2 days. Yes, I am not kidding you. You will get over it in hardly 2 days. So before I start with the video, I want and request all of you whoever haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video then do hit the thumbs up and like it, and do not forget to share it with your near and dear ones. And if boys you're watching my video, share it with your girlfriends and your wife, they would really love it. So let's get started. Before I start with my video, I will give you a little gyan about pimple. Little bit, okay? Please hold on, little bit. The truth is that pimple can never ever be like, they can never vanish. They will always reoccur. But how it can be controlled? It can only be controlled if you take care of 3 easy tips that I am giving you. Listen to it carefully. Never ever pop your pimple. No, know that you are pressing it and trying to take out all the sebaceous thing that is there. No, let it be there. Gently pat it and apply the do-it-yourself things that I'm going to say in this video, and further in this video you can apply those. Never pop it. It's totally bad. I'll tell you why. The thing is that pimples happen because of a hell lot of oil secretion, and when this huge amount of oil secretes and it accumulates and accumulates in our pores, even if the pores are not visible, pores are there, so they accumulate in the pores and clog them, and then what happens is they become infectious and they become pimple, and that infection can spread to a lot of area, and pimple can can be in multiple places. So do not ever try to pop it or touch it, because it can spread from year to year. So first thing is this. Second, maintain your face hygiene. Now ask me, what is face hygiene? Face hygiene is at least 3 times you need to wash your face, but do not overwash it. 3 times is maximum, because if you overwash it, face will become dry. So 3, good enough. But do wash your face regularly, at least minimum 2 times. 3, then good enough. Third thing is, try to avoid a lot of sugar, oily, fast food, and all that samosas you loved and bada that you love. Try to avoid them all, and also chocolates, cold drinks. Total no. Avoid. Now let's just quickly come to the do-it-yourself technique that I'm going to teach you. So listen to it carefully till the end. I will give you at least 3 to 4 techniques. Whatever suits you, use it. First, I'm sure all of you have pudina at home. So take handful of pudina patta, and then the leaves, pudina leaf or mint leaf, and then crush it well. Using your hand, traditionally crush it and take out the that liquid form, it would come out. So what you can do is simply apply it on the pimple, in the place where you are having pimple. This is dot technique. You need not apply it on your face. Even if it is good for your face, apply it on the spot where you are having pimple. Just apply it there and then let it dry. So after it dries, take a tissue paper or a cotton cloth or a napkin and just remove it. Now you would ask me how many times you have to do. You have to do at least once a day, and for 2 days. You do it, and the third day you will see that not only your pimple has vanished, but the spot that the pimple had created would also go, for sure. Second, the second technique also you can do with pudina. What you need to do is simply, because now it is rainy season, I'm sure all of you don't need ice cubes, don't you? So just vacuum the ice cube, the ice tray, and in that you just crush the pudina patta and pour the liquid in the ice tray, and on top of it add aloe vera gel and let it defrizz, and when it forms ice cube, and then simply massage it on your pimple area. This you have to do for again 2 days, and you will definitely see the difference. Third technique is, take a pinch of haldi, turmeric, add to it aloe vera gel. Amazing smell. It smells amazing. Just a thick paste, and that haldi and aloe vera gel paste, simply put it on the pimple area. Wherever you are having pimple, apply it. Let it dry, and then using a napkin or a tissue paper, remove it. You will see that the pimple has suppressed, has reduced, and eventually after 2 days it will vanish. Next technique is, in a plate take aloe vera gel. In the aloe vera gel add tea tree oil. I suppose everyone has it at home. It is really cool. So aloe vera and tea tree both have such cooling effect on your face when you apply it on your pimple, that no ways, the pimple has to go. And this is my favorite, and what you need to do is just apply it overnight on the pimple, the spot where you're having pimple, and let it dry, let it be there overnight, and next day you can simply rinse it or wash it, and you will see that even I have seen this, that in single day it has vanished. So you can see, depending upon the skin, it can take 2 days for you, but it would vanish in 2 days. 1 is minimum and 2 days is maximum, it will vanish. Last but not the least is Multani Mitti and honey. Multani Mitti and honey both not only lighten the skin but also help to get rid of pimple. So simply little bit of Multani Mitti and little bit of honey, same quantity. Mix it well, make a thick paste and apply it in the area where you're having pimple, and let it dry, and then remove using a cloth, a napkin or cotton pad, anything that you have. So these were a quick easy tips that I do. One of my favorite is Multani Mitti in honey. What is your favorite? Write it to me, and do use any one of these techniques. I suppose whatever ingredients is there in your kitchen, you can use that and make this do it yourself paste. So in case you found my video really interesting, and you like my do it yourself hacks, write to me and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.